Hey guys, in this quick video I am going to show you how to hide your WordPress website login page URL. As example, if you have a WordPress website or if you find a WordPress website on internet, you can just add /and wplogin.php after the website URL. As example, my website is hosted on localhost, and if I enter login.php, I can access this page. And also if I search wp admin, I can still find the login page of this website. After someone find your login page, that person can add unlimited usernames and password to check the right password. So there is a quick way to hide the WordPress admin login page URL. I will show you how to do it. Basically, you have to log into the WordPress website. So I will log into my WordPress website. After you go to your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new. Plugins, add new. Now in here search the plugin called WPS Hide Login. Now you will get the plugin called WPS Hide Login, and you can check this plugin thumbnail, and it has over 5 million active installation and 5-star rating. Also it's compatible with the latest version. So I click on install now and click on activate. Okay, I successfully activate the plugin. Now I go to settings, and in settings I will click on WPS Hide Login. Then you will see a section called WPS Hide Login. In here you can change the login URL. So I always add text that not similar to login or admin dashboard. As example, I can add text like red car or red car. When you add the space, always add hyphen or underscore. So I will add the login URL as red car. The funny thing is, no one will able to find the login URL because they will never guess a login URL like this. So now I will click on save changes. Now if I log out and go to the login page by adding wp login or wp admin, so I will enter wp login.php and I will redirect to fornode for page not found error. Also if I enter the wp admin, I will also redirect to this fornode for error page. If I enter red car, I can access the login page of my WordPress website. So this is a quick and simple way to hide your WordPress login URL. Always try to do this method and hide it. 95% of WordPress websites don't use this technique, and it is a huge security risk. I hope you get valuable information in this video. Before I go, I am going to give my email marketing Udemy course for free for one of you. Basically, you have to do is add a comment on this video, and I will randomly pick one of your comment and give the free coupon code to access my email marketing course. Also, I am a WordPress developer, so I plan to add WordPress related videos on this channel. So if you like it or if you don't like it, just let me know about your opinion on the comment section, and I will see you in next time.